Hi, this is Vijay Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete spam on your emails. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. While Gmail automatically sorts spam's email into a spirit folder, you may want to permanently delete those emails to help declutter your account. And in this video, I will show you how to delete all spams on your emails. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Gmail. Now you can just tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. And you can scroll down. You can go to the spam section. You can just tap on the spam on here. So here's all my spam on my Gmail. If you want to delete, you can just tap and hold on the spam that you want to delete. But if you want to delete all the spam, you can see there is an option empty spam now. Items that have been in spam more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. And you can just delete it before 30 days. So now you can just tap on empty spam now. Now tap on empty. So nothing in spam. You no longer have spam email on your email. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete spam email on your Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.